Hey, good morning. Oh, I can't talk. Good morning. How are you guys? It is Tuesday, May 12th. Um, you can see we're going to be doing dividing fractions today. You guys did multiplying fractions, mixed numbers yesterday. So I have my paper from yesterday in my hand, and all of my work is there. My work, all of my work. Some of you didn't show any work. If you don't show me any work on your papers, I'm not giving you credit, okay? You have to show me work. So let me just review something real quick. I need you guys to go in and check your feedback from yesterday, okay? Or check your work. Most of you did great, but some of you, like where there's a whole number, you're supposed to put the 1 underneath of it. Some of you put the 1 on top of it. The 1 doesn't go on top. We're not flipping anything. The 1 goes on the bottom. 4 over 1, okay? So if it's a whole number, the 1 goes on the bottom. Some of you did not keep the denominator the same for the mixed numbers. Don't turn it into a 1. Keep the denominator the same. That was only a few people, okay? Some of you just multiplied stuff wrong, but again, not really a big deal. As long as you were working your way up and around properly, then I was really like proud of you and okay with that. You just really need to take your time, because like some of you, like for 3 2/3 and you work your way up and around, some people said like 3 times 3 is 6, okay, plus 2 is 8, okay? You need to remember you're multiplying and then adding, okay? So you need to be super careful on that when you do the review on Wednesday and the test on Thursday, or the quiz on Thursday, okay? The only other thing is some of you worked your way up and around perfectly, but then you added the tops and added the bottoms. Don't forget, it's a multiplication problem. So multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms, okay? We will review that again on Wednesday. Tomorrow is dividing fractions. So we already did this. So this is your reminder. It's not KFC. It's KCF. Keep, change, flip. Okay, remember the song? Keep, change, flip. Yeah, that's the answer. Everybody's gonna know how we're... How does it go? Keep, change, flip. Yeah, that's the action. Everybody's gonna know how we're dividing fractions, right? I'll put the video in the folder, okay? It's not in there right now, but I'll put it in there in case you want to do some vocabulary. Okay? So I'm looking right now at number 1 and number 3 on the, so there's a whole number first, okay? And a fraction second. So we'll do 5 divided by 1/6. Okay? Remember your steps. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a 1 under my whole number. Okay? Don't forget that step. Then I'm going to keep the first. I'm going to change my sign, and I'm going to flip the second to become 6 over 1. Then I multiply my tops and I multiply my bottoms. So I get 30 over 1, which is equal to 30, okay? So that's 2 of them on there, all right? Stick the 1 underneath, keep it, change it, flip it, multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, okay? The other way on here is, if I'm looking at number 2 and number 4 now on the sheet, it's a fraction first, so I'll do 1/4 divided by 3, okay? Same thing, stick a 1 underneath the 3, okay? Now I can do my steps, okay? So I'm going to keep the first, I'm going to change my sign, and I'm going to flip this, so instead of 3 over 1, it's 1 over 3, multiply 1 times 1, multiply 4 times 3, and I get 1 over 12, okay? So you guys have already done this in school. 4 questions. Stick the 1s underneath any of these whole numbers. There we go, okay? Then I even wrote on the paper, keep it, change it, flip it. Keep the first, change the sign, flip the second. Multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, okay? That's it for today, all right? This is a nice short 5-minute video. This should take you less than 5 minutes. You should be done your math Nice and easy peasy. Some of you wrote to me today that you hadn't gotten your score yet. Today I didn't get to grade stuff until around 3 o'clock. So I apologize for that. Your stuff is all in there. You can go back and check it. If you have any questions, let me know. Most of you did very well. Those of you skipping the videos still, please stop. Okay. It's actually like frustrating to me, and it actually makes me really sad that you're not watching them. So please take the time to watch them and don't rush through your work because it gets to be a little sad. Okay. So that's it for today. And I will see you guys in our hangouts this week. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.